Welcome to a mainlydyi.com video.
So here I have my apple peeler. This part is the part that actually peels it. And then I have a release handle right here, and if I squeeze that, I can pull my rod back. So I can put my apple on that. And you can clamp this one down to a table. I've had this one a long time. So you just take your apple, stick it on there. I'm going to release my clamp to get it near my blade so I don't have to crank as much. And all I got to do is simply turn. Okay, then when I get to the end, I am just going to pull my release. And everything comes right out. Being a little bit careful here because this is also sharp. And then I can just take my apple. See how my apple is made this little spiral. So I can just cut it up into whatever size pieces I want. Put them in my pie pan. Put them in my pie pan, and I'm going to have a pie pretty soon. Actually, I am making an apple crisp, so I have no bottom pie crust. Okay, I've added my crumb topping right on top of the apples.